What's going on, people? I'm Ben Wayne, back with another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a product review. This is something I've been waiting on for quite some time. This is the new Lionel Hobo Sounds Boxcar. It was first announced in the 2021 Volume 2 catalog and was just recently delivered. We're looking at mid-December around this time frame, mid-December 2022. So it was quite a wait, but let's hope it was worth the wait. So let's go ahead and unbox this, see how it sounds, and just take a look at the details and see if this is something cool that you might want to add to your layout. Let's go ahead and get to it. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. Throw that bag to the side. I'm so excited to finally have this in my hands. Oh, we got some tape here. Go ahead and remove that. All right. First impressions right out the box. This does look like it is quite the detailed piece. Classic steel reefer. RI for Rock Island. Now there was an Erie road name available. I went ahead and did the Rock Island. This door in the back here opens. That's nice. This door here, oh, it actually slides, even though you do have the two hobo figures there. Now apparently the speaker is back here. Here's the undercarriage. You have a speaker grill for your speaker, of course, for those sounds, and two power pickup rollers, one underneath each truck there. So we'll do some close-up shots so you guys can see the detail of this, but it's what you expect. A detailed steel reefer from Lionel with two figures, of course, your two hobos. Now, of course, this did come with some instructions. Pretty simple. To use your sound card, just simply place it on the tracks, couple it to your train, power up the layout, and start running. Volume can be adjusted using a small screwdriver in the volume switch located in the center of the underframe of the car. Flat spot sounds can be turned off completely using sound, no sound switch. I love having flat spot sounds on my consist. It is super detailed, super realistic. All right. So what's cool about these sound cards, you can place multiple cars in your consist and just get a really nice sounding train. So let's go ahead and get this out on the layout, see how it sounds.
Hey, Hank, how about you blow some parts? Best wieners I've ever tasted. Hey, Hank, how about you blow some parts?
So while the boxcar is stationary, it goes through about a 1-minute loop of different sounds. what you just heard. So you heard the harmonica. You also heard them saying that they were having wieners for dinner, which I thought was pretty funny. So when the car is in motion, the sounds switch up. So you get those classic clickety-clack sounds, those rail sounds, the screeching on curves, but you also get a different song on the harmonica as well. It's pretty entertaining. Have a listen to this. Alright, so we're going to get this boxcar set up in a short consist for demonstration purposes. I'm going to be using my Central of Georgia F units, which are just one of 25. It was a Legacy Station exclusive a few years back. I figured those would be a good set of engines to pull this car. Let's go ahead and take a look. So what do you guys think about this Hobo Sounds freight car? Now Lionel did announce that they're making some other road names of the Hobo Sounds freight car that came out in a more recent catalog. So you're still waiting for those if you pre-ordered them. But this is truly incredible. I love how Lionel is thinking outside of the box, and I like how they keep bringing us these freight sound cars, because I never thought that I needed a Hobo Sounds freight car until they announced it. So you can use these things in multiple ways. You can put it in your train and have it part of the consist and give you some of those detailed freight sounds that we all know and love. Or you could set this car up on a siding, and as soon as you power the track up, you have a scene that just comes together with these awesome sounds coming from this car. Now, one thing I will say is, when it comes to weathering in the hobby, this is definitely something that would look more realistic weathered, giving you that old rustic look with the hobo sitting in there. So I'm thinking about taking an airbrush to this and toning down that brown a little bit, or some weathering chalk would truly bring this thing to life. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I picked this one up from Legacy Station. That is my local hobby shop here in Georgia, and Brian gave me the hookup with an unbeatable deal. So if you're interested in picking one of these up, please reach out to Legacy Station and Brian will take care of you. Let me know your thoughts on this one in the comment section. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And until next time, I'm Ben Wayne, the Train Collector's Train Collector.